Mother's Day holiday, we're making heart earrings. Look like candy, don't it? We're gonna put these on gold hooks. So we have our 2 gold flat findings. And of course, everybody knows you need your round nose pliers and your snips. So this is gonna be really quick. This is gonna be a fast pair of earrings. Take the binding, take gold seed bead, slide it right on there. Just one, just cute. That's gonna stop the bead from going all the way through. Then you're gonna thread right onto there. These are gonna be really cute, really fast, really easy to wear. Then we're gonna fill the stick up with little seed beads. You don't have to use gold seed beads. You can use black. Black will probably look nice. White or just clear. But I chose gold because I had gold earring hooks and it's gonna set that off really nicely. And there's a bit of gold in this bead. So we're gonna just thread those on there. How many we got? Check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good. Take your pliers. Gonna bend it right over. Bend it over. Snips. Less than ½ inch. Snip that right over. Gotta get that label. Around. Flip it back over. Now you want to stop because now you gotta put this hook on here. And as soon as you get your hook on, you're gonna close the hole right up. I don't have a story for love, I guess. I've been with my husband for 14 years. It wasn't like a love story. We met in high school, and he started working at the place I was working at. And then, I remembered him from high school, so I asked him would he like to come over to my house and hang out. And when he came, he bought a 6-pack of beer, which at the time, I drink wine now, I'm older. At the time, I was a really big beer drinker. I was so happy to see that 6-pack. I knew then. The next time he came to my house, he brought with him his Xbox. And he asked would I like to play video games with him. Match made in heaven. He eventually ended up leaving his Xbox at my house, so he'd have a reason to keep coming back over there. Which was fine. I ended up taking over. Let's see what these gonna look like. Come on, look at that. Look how cute that is. I ended up keeping his video game system for about 3 months before I told him, I don't think you're getting this thing back. And at that point, I don't think he wanted it back. That was his reason to keep coming to my house, other than me. As of right now, we've been together for 14 years. We've been married for 2. And although Valentine's Day is the celebration of love and all that other great stuff, snip it. Valentine's Day wasn't all that important to us. The only thing that was important to us was each other. Oh, yeah. There you go. Very Valentine's earrings. Thanks for joining us again, you guys. See you next time.